How to review videos searched activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review videos searched activity on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here. Then click the settings and privacy and click settings. Now go down until you find this one activity log, and then here you'll find this one video search. Just click on it, and here you can review video searched on activity on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.